Recently, I picked up a commission project to build a podium. I gave the customer a few designs and they ended up picking the most conceptual and least structural one. Let me show you the design and then I'll show you the plan.
Now, this customer wanted a podium that kind of mirrored what their logo looked like. The idea here is that it is completely open air and it is a block at the bottom with wood coming out of it.
The technique I'm going to use is called bent lamination. I'm going to rip a bunch of small strips like this, and these bend pretty easily. So I've made a form to fit those curves exactly how I need it, and then I'm going to bend a bunch of these together and glue them up. And that glue will hold that shape whenever it is completely dry. I'll show you what I mean. So here you can see that everything is bent and glued up and clamped up. And once it dries, it will hold this shape. Now once the glue is dried, you can take off the clamps and you'll see that it holds this form. There you go. Now we need to cut off the ends and put all the pieces together. Okay, so I ran out of time for filming, so I didn't capture the rest of the project. But here is how it turned out. I think it's awesome. Bent lamination is something that I've seen but never done and always kind of wanted to. So when I got this opportunity, I was pretty excited to try it. This is a podium for Church of Whitestone, pastored by Torrin Wells. So obviously super excited that I got the opportunity to build this for them. And I hope you enjoyed this video, whether it's just learning about my process or watching me work. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Don't forget to subscribe. That really helps the channel out a lot. Comment, share, and we will see you next time.